Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to add your date of birth to your X, formerly Twitter profile using your PC with the latest update. Whether you're new to the platform or just want to make sure your profile is complete, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side menu and find the Profile button. Click on it to enter your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. This is usually located near the top right area of your profile page. Click on Edit Profile to open the editing options for your account. Next, you'll see various fields you can update, such as your name and bio. Scroll down until you find the birth date section. Click on the birth date area and then select Edit. This will open a pop-up or a new section where you can add your information. Here, you'll be able to enter your date of birth. Simply select the correct month, day, and year from the drop-down menus. Double-check your information to make sure it's accurate, as you may not be able to change it frequently. Once you've entered your birth date, look for the Save button. Usually at the bottom or top right of the pop-up. Click Save to confirm and update your profile with your new birth date. That's it! Your birth date is now added to your X profile. This small update can make your profile feel more personal and help your friends and followers connect with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips on making the most of your X experience. Thanks for watching.